फाटल्या दिसांनी देखून तुवें म्हटलेलें अलायन्स टॉक्स आर स्टील ऑन आपाचे एनीन अप्रोच दाखोवन वॉट हॅज हॅपन टू दॅट एस्पेशली वेन यू टॉक अबाउट गोवा फॉरवर्ड एंड ऑल.
See, I'm already in touch with all of them. In fact, when I contacted Vijai Sardesai, Goa Forward Party President, so he said he's going UK and after his return, we'll meet. So I called him other day. So he said he'll revert. That is one thing. Now about the Revolutionary Goan Party. Although there is a split, I'm in touch with Viresh as well as some other leaders. As far as Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, I'm in touch with their state president, Mr. Valmiki. Okay, so now the formal talks has to begin. I'm just waiting for everyone's this appointment.
सर आता जुलै का बाद येतलो वी विल बी इन ऑगस्ट. तुम्ही म्हटलेलं आसा की 3 महिने देखून वेल बिफोर कॅन्डिडेट्स वूड बी अनाउन्स. तुमचेच म्हटलेलं सो दिस टॉक्स एवरीथिंग वूड बी फायनलाइज्ड बिफोर वॉट लाईक हाऊ यू हॅव सेड.
In fact, I am following with everyone, so just waiting for them to initiate the talks. In any way, Goa Forward and Congress, we are already in the alliance. Only now new allies has to be tied up. For that, we have to sit, discuss, and so we'll make all efforts. Although I know Aam Aadmi Party at the national level and the local level also, they have just started attacking, criticizing us. But nevertheless, we are ready to digest those attacks from Aam Aadmi Party for the larger good of Goa, because people of Goa wants all of us to be united. So based on the directions of people of Goa, we are ready to walk extra mile so that the wishes of the people of Goa to have a larger alliance are fulfilled. So we will make every efforts to make the alliance. Let those who wants to attack us or whatever it is will not deter nor disturb us, nothing. We'll try to make the alliance as per the wishes of the people.
Speculations are there that elections could be held in December. So if December is there, then before end of September, some candidates would be announced of alliance or something, whatever it is.
We said we'll give sufficient time to the candidates so that every candidate can visit each house at least 3 times. So that much time we will give the candidates this time.
तुमचे LOP आणि तुमचं वर्किंग प्रेसिडेंट याचं लंडनाक आसा. वाट इट इज जस्ट टू लोकांचे
London, UK based our Goans are also part of us. So when they are inviting them, because they are so far, they have not gone out of their own wish, just to see that their families are taken care. We don't have sufficient jobs. They are there, but they have a guilt that they are far away from Goa and they want to give every protection, every love to Goa. So they want our people also to come and talk to them. So they had invited them, our both Bob Yuri and Bob Elton, both are on the UK visit, and they have successfully done that.
थँक्यू.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.